Hey, it's Matt. This is Icarryusa, and today we're going to be talking about 22 long rifle conversion versus the Glock 44. See you on the range. We have the Glock 44, and we have an Advantage Arms conversion kit. I've had this conversion kit for a long time, and this is a very old school Gen 3 Glock lower, okay? This used to be a Glock 19, and I made it into a trainer gun, so it has a basically a 22 long rifle conversion slide on it, okay? So now I can use my little 22 magazines and shoot really, really cheap, okay? So then Glock came out with the Glock 44. So I was like, wow, a dedicated gun. That's already a 22 that I don't have to switch out all the time. It's pretty neat. It looks exactly the same as the Glock 19. So then I was like, now I have both. So now we're gonna talk about why one's better than the other, all right? So let's go with the Advantage Arms ones first, okay? This is a kit you buy online. It's just a slide and a magazine, okay? They work really, really well, okay? And if you live in a state that requires you to buy a permit for each gun, you don't need that for this because it's just a gun part. It's gonna go on your existing Glock 19 frame, okay? They work really well. I have had some hang-ups with it, okay? In the past, like it's got a lot of rounds to it now, so obviously, that being said, it's gonna have some hang-ups, right? But on the flip side, if you think about it, if you got a gun that has a little bit of hang-ups, it's gonna teach you how to clear those jams really quick. That's cool. It's like a blessing in disguise, right? Oh, crap. There you go, see? All right, so we had one little malfunction, no big deal. So now that we have the conversion slide on here, to get it off, you just simply dry fire it, take it down, just like a standard Glock. And now you can put your 9mm slide back on, put this in the closet, whatever you want to do with it, and then now you have your Glock 19. So you're really using the same exact frame of your gun, standard gun, just swapping the slide out to have a 22, all right? Then Glock came out with the 44. This is an awesome little gun, okay? It's also a 22 long rifle, but now it's a dedicated 22 long rifle, and I'm pretty sure you can't switch this out to a 9mm. I actually don't know. No, you can't. This has a lot of plastic interior parts, and you don't want to put something with heavy recoil on it. They probably made it dimensionally different, but just by a little bit. Okay, so now we're gonna shoot this one, see what we like. Here we go, again. Okay, so obviously it shoots exactly the same as a conversion kit, but it's a dedicated gun. They weigh the exact same amount, okay? They're, well, actually, some maybe even a little bit heavier than this one, okay? But overall, they're the same thing, but I will say the downside to this one versus this one, this kit is about 300 bucks, and you're only getting a slide and a magazine. This whole gun is $350. So instead of swapping your slides out all the time and doing all that work, just buy another gun, and then you can just use it on the range. Makes sense, right? So there you go. You got your Glock 44, you got your Advantage Arms conversion kit. I vote Glock 44. All right, so there you go. We went over the Advantage Arms kit today and the Glock 44. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Check out our Patreon, and I'll see you on the range.